Good morning, children. Myself, Beena Bharti, your EVS teacher from the Pentecostal Assembly School. Today, I am going to teach you all lesson 2, I am special, given in page number 2 of your EVS book. The title of this lesson is I am special. What do you mean by special, children? Have you ever heard about this term, special? Special means something unique. Special means something different. We all are unique. We all are special in our own way. What are the ways in which we are special? What are the different things in which we are special and unique? In this lesson, you will learn about various things by which we all are special. We all are special on different grounds. So let's read about it. Let's read this lesson. In this lesson, you have to fill in your particulars. Particular means your information. In this lesson, you have to fill about your basic information, and you have to tell that why you are special. Why we all are special. We can be special on different grounds, like if our birthday is different. We all are born on different dates. So, we are special on the basis of our birth. We all have different names, like my name is Beena. If your name is Rahul, Nikki, Nikita, Bharti, Asha, Mamta, Pooja, etc. These are different names. So we all are different, or we can say that special by our names. So on the basis of our names, we are special. Another thing, let's take one more example. On the basis of age, if I am 25 years old, if you are 5 years old, if your mama is 30 years old, if your father is 32 years old, you can see that everyone is belong from different age group. So they are different, they are special on the basis of their age. So they are also unique, they are also special. Okay, children, one more thing. On which day we feel very special? On which day we get so many gifts? We celebrate our birthday. On the basis of our birth date, we are special. Well, my birthday is on 20th August. Maybe you born on 1st of January, on 2nd of October, or on 10th June, on 25th December, or any date, or in any day. So, you celebrate your birth anniversary, your birth date on that particular day. So, that day is your special day. So, on the basis of your birthday, we all are special. On the basis of our birthday, we are special. I am a girl, or maybe you are a boy. So, on the basis of gender, boy or girl, we can classify us on the basis of gender also. So, on the basis of gender, you can also feel special. So, now come to the page number 2 of your EVS book. Here you can see that the first question is fill in your particular. The question is fill in your particular. So you have to fill all these question answers in your book. So I am reading it. You will use your pencil and write here in the box given in your book. The first one is my name is dash. So you have to fill this blank. Whatever your name is, you have to fill it here in the first question. My name is dash. My name is Beena Bharti. For example, my name is Beena Bharti. So I will write my name is Beena Bharti. So if your name is Rahul, you will write here my name is Rahul. If your name is Abhishek, you will write my name is Abhishek. If your name is Pooja, you will write my name is Pooja. Whatever name you have, you will write here. Now come to the second question. Second question is asking about I am dash years old. Here the question is asking about your age. I am dash years old. You have to fill your age as you all are reading in class prep. So according to me, I think you all have around 5 years age. So you will write your age. Whether you are 4 years old or 5 years old, you have to write your age. I am 5 years old. Now come to the third question. I am a dash. Here in the bracket, you can see that 2 options are given. 2 options are given, boy or girl. Either you are a boy or you are a girl. So if you are a boy, you have to write I am a boy. What will you write? If you are a boy, you will write I am a boy. And if you are a girl, you will write I am a girl. Girls will write girl and boys will write boy. Now the fourth one. My birthday is on. On which date you have your birthday? On which date you have your birthday? On which date you celebrate your birthday? So here you will write your birth date. My birthday is on. You will write 1st January or 15th February or 20 August or anything. Whichever your birth date is, you will write here. You will write here your birth date. Let us revise for one more time. In the first question, you will write my name is. What will you write here? You will write here about your name. Whatever your name is, you will write here. Okay, in the blank you will fill your name. The second question. I am dash years old. How old are you? You have to fill your age. You have to fill your age. You will fill your age. If your age is 5 years, you will fill I am 5 years old. Now the third question. I am a dash. In the bracket you can see boy or girl. If you are a boy, you will write I am a boy. And if you are a girl, what will you write? I am a girl. I am a girl. Now, the last one. My birthday is on. when is your birthday? You have to fill here your birthday. You have to fill your birthday. So you will write my birthday is on, and on whichever day you was born, you will fill in this blank. Now activity. You can see, draw as many candles on the cake as your age. You can see in your book that this is a very beautiful cake. This picture is very beautiful. This is a cake, and you have to draw as many candles on the cake as your age. If you are 5 years old, how many years? If you are 5 years old, you will draw 5 candles on this cake. If you are 4 years old, you will draw 4 candles on it. Now, here you can see, color the face you like. There are 2 pictures given in your book. The first one is a happy picture. The first one is a happy picture. It shows our emotion. It is a happy picture. So, and the second one is sad picture. When your mother scolds you, you are sad. And when your father brings a gift for you, you are happy. So, which face do you like? Whichever face do you like, if you like to be happy, you will color happy face. And if you like to be sad, you will color sad face. Here, in the board, you can see that I have drawn a beautiful cake for my children. For all of you, I have drawn a 3-layered cake. Isn't it beautiful? So, if you are 5-year-old, I am assuming as a teacher, as a EVS teacher, I am assuming you all as 5 years old. So, I have drawn 5 candles on the cake. On the top of the cake, you can see that I have drawn 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each candle is of different colors. Yellow, orange, blue, pink, green. Assuming you all as 5 years old, I have drawn 5 candles on this cake. Similarly, you will also draw this cake on your EVS copy, and you will draw these candles also on the top of your cake that you will draw on your EVS book. Okay, children? So, what have you learned from this lesson? I am special. I am special lesson. What do you learn from this? You learn about how we are special. You learn about how we are special, how we are different or unique from others. We are special on the basis of our name. We are special on the basis of our age. We are special on the basis of our gender, whether you are a boy or you are a girl. And the fourth one is, we are special on the basis of our birthdays. Everyone has different birthdays. So we are special on the basis of our birthday. We are special on the basis of our name, age, gender, birthdays and appearance also. So in this way we can say that we are special, we are different and we are unique. Children, I hope that you will watch this video and do this work in your book and draw the picture of cake in your copy, and you will also draw the picture of candle as your age. Okay? You will draw the picture of cake and candle on your EVS book, and you will do this fill in the blank question, and the third one is color the face you like on your book, in your book. Okay children, I hope that you will like this video and you will learn at your home too. Till then, take care. Thank you.